Are you looking to enhance your architectural designs without spending countless hours on modeling? Do you want to access a vast library of high-quality Revit families and models that will elevate your projects to new heights? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to CivilMix, your ultimate resource for top-notch Revit content. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our Patreon community, where you can unlock a world of time-saving and quality-improving solutions. Let's dive right in. At CivilMix, we understand the challenges architects and designers face when it comes to creating stunning projects efficiently. That's why we've curated a comprehensive collection of pre-made Revit families and models that will revolutionize your workflow. Let me walk you through the key features that make CivilMix the ultimate destination for your design needs. Time-saving solutions. Say goodbye to the days of starting from scratch. With CivilMix's extensive library, you can download ready-to-use Revit families and models in just a few clicks. Imagine the hours you'll save, allowing you to focus on refining your designs and bringing your vision to life. Enhanced quality. Quality is our priority. Our Revit families and models are using in our every project, ensuring precision and a professional look in every detail. By utilizing our premium content, you'll elevate the overall quality of your projects, impressing clients and stakeholders. Instant access. No more waiting around. As a valued Patreon member, you'll get immediate access to download our entire library of Revit content, totaling over 10 GB. Start using top-tier assets in your projects right away and experience the difference it makes. Exclusive content. Want to stand out from the crowd? Some of our best Revit families and models are exclusive to our Patreon community. These unique assets give you a competitive edge, helping you leave a lasting impact in the architectural world. Regular updates. We believe in staying ahead of the curve. That's why we consistently update our library with fresh content, ensuring that you always have access to the latest trends and innovations in the industry. Are you ready to take your architectural designs to the next level? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join our Patreon community today by clicking the link in the description. Experience the convenience, quality, and support that CivilMix has to offer. Together, let's revolutionize your design process. Faster, better, and more exciting than ever before. Thank you for joining us today. We can't wait to see you inside our Patreon community. Remember, at CivilMix, we're here to support your creative journey every step of the way. Let's build something extraordinary together.